The objective of the workshop was to show iNets in action, the idea of innovation as a creative process. So essentially pulling together a team that could facilitate that process and take them through a typically design process.
The iNets and the iNet program opens up a lot of possibilities for companies like ours to explore new markets, explore new means of collaboration, new ideas.
The kind of things that I hope to take away from today are more contacts, more opportunities to meet people in creative industries, and kind of the ability to kind of actually meet people from other industries.
It's really interesting to find out how we could sort of utilise innovation, but more importantly how we could sort of talk to the other iNet projects and other sectors to see whether we have some sort of cross-border elements and how we could benefit.
I think for us it's a means of finding out a bit more about what other companies are up to and the challenges they face.
Working together as a team in a cross iNet style is particularly unique to this event. The idea you're bringing together people with different skills and capabilities in one room, you're demonstrating a process and you're allowing them to work together and stepping back from that process.
Actually finding ways perhaps that could be reconfigured in a better way.
We have today here people from the biomedical industries, aerospace, microelectronics. There's a whole wide range of interesting people and possibilities for future projects and future collaborations.
You have all these great ideas, but at the end of the day, we're all human, we're all talking about the same thing and singing from the same sheet. We just need to put that into sort of context in our particular industries.
I wanted all the participants of today who are iNets customers to collaborate together and co-create together and feel comfortable doing that.
Just constantly throughout the day there's people kind of making contacts, meeting new people, coming up with creative ideas and coming up with opportunities to apply those.
Over the next 30 minutes, each of the 4 teams will present, and then after that, the iNet directors will decide which one is the best idea.
But how much time within your own business, within the constraint of your own problem, do you actually have to think outside the box?
To recycle that, reuse it and produce new products. So there are a lot of opportunities for linkage to happen.
What I've seen as a participant who stepped in and out of the process is the energy and the real enthusiasm in people's eyes, and that's something you can never get in a virtual way.
What the guys have been doing here relating to obviously the post-it notes that we've been sticking up and sort of nominating which is which, all those things have been really good in a way of sort of filtering through all those thoughts that we've got.
It was useful to find out ways in which the creative industries and digital media companies like ourselves can maybe influence, help or change the ways in which people handle these processes.
I think a lot of them will come away with it with a sense of energy and a sense of understanding about how a design process, even though it's facilitated, can actually add value to what they actually do in their daily businesses.